So I'm going to go over basic search strategies using Web of Science based on what we talked about in the previous videos. So you want to start off at the Bio 155 homepage. If you forget, the easiest way to get here is to Google Bio 155 UKY, and this will be on the first link. So first we want to find Web of Science Core Collection, which is right here. And you always want to access Web of Science through the library links to ensure that you get the full access to the content that's already paid for by your tuition, by UK. You just want to go through the library links to get to Web of Science. So here's Web of Science. Let's start off with just a simple search for birds, just to see what we get here. Okay, so articles related to birds, we have 161,052. So we might want to refine that a little bit. That's not going to be a productive search at all. So we're going to use some of the strategies I talked about in the previous videos to get something closer to your research topic, what you want to learn about before you start just blindly clicking on articles. So we're going to refine this search a little bit. And we're going to do bird and global warming. So as a reminder, we have global warming in quotation marks here because we're looking for that entire phrase. We only want results that include global warming together, not the separated words. So since we're adding and, we're going to narrow our search. And now we're down to 407 results. So all of these results have bird and global warming in them. 407 is still a lot of results to just start picking through. So we're going to look at other combinations here. So we're going to try another search. We're going to do bird or avian. When you use or, you want to use similar keywords, so synonyms or related keywords, and you want to keep them on the same search line. And then we're going to hit add row. You can see the and is already here, and we're going to do global warming. So this is going to search for anything with birds, anything that mentions birds and avian, and anything that just mentions avian, but also includes global warming. Again with the quotation marks, so it searches for the whole phrase. So, bird or avian is going to broaden that search, but the and global warming is going to narrow the results to only include articles with global warming in them. So now we're going to be up to 424 results from our previous search because some of those additional results may only refer to avian but not to bird. And remember, we broadened bird or avian. And now we're going to try a third search combination. Okay, so we're going to keep bird or avian here. We're going to keep global warming. And we're going to add another and. So that's going to narrow. We're going to do migrat with an asterisk. As a reminder, that's truncation. So that means this search is going to look for anything with that root of the word. So we might get results that talk about migration, or migratory, or migrating. Things like Google do this automatically, but the databases do not. So if you use this strategically, it can be really effective in narrowing your results to get something that'll be productive for you, be useful for you. So we're going to be narrowing. Our previous search only had the first 2 lines, and we're adding the addition of the MyGrat here. That has to be included in our results. So our results should go down. Let's see. Okay, so now we're down to 133 results. So we've gone way, way down from the initial search of just bird. And we're getting closer to something that's usable, something you want to start looking at some of the articles, because if this was your topic, all of these results are talking about either birds or avians or both, global warming, and something to do with migration. So this has gotten you a much narrower search to what you actually want to start looking at. And in the next video, we're going to talk about kind of sorting and analyzing those results further.